the Miley Cyrus. Financial Breakup Song by
AJ Michelle.
AJ Michelle. Move on. Sorry, I have to go. Move on by Joe Jonas. Anyway. Have you ever felt love? Did you ever feel
Lilipad.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, yapon. No, then the second girl. Okay, yapon.
Go.
Did you ever feel lonely?
Ano na ginashoot tayo?
By the way, anyway,
Gaya, ang inubutang nga.
anyway, these songs all refer to only one.
Grabe, first scene, 1 minute, kalabot.
One. It's about breakup. Well, this song I'm gonna tell you about is a boy. Oh my gosh, the grudge is there. Anyway, I have my weapon. This will cost me 1,500 pesos to buy this. Anyways, do you want to know about the story? It's a lot. Do you want to know a story?
Sabay, di mo. Okay.
Hindi ka naoga. Nabukod. Ano yung oga? Ginandaan or nilaga?
Wala, bali bloopers, something.
Bilang adobo nga oga.
2 minutes na.
Sorry. We're just talking about ride fishing. Anyway, moving on.
Yes.
Moving on. Yes. Move on.
Hurry up!
What about
Boo!
I'm going to tell you.
Tanda mo mabukain ng gitara ko.
It's about a boy who's trying to forget about this girl.
Ugly.
This ugly girl. And that girl's name is Marcella.